Hello children. Today we read some sentences of I am. So come and read with me. I am happy. I am happy. I am a boy. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am a girl. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a student. I am an animal. I am an animal. I am here. I am here. I am sad. I am sad. Let's read some more sentences. Let's go. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am going home. I am going home. I am a big fan of pizza. I am a big fan of pizza. I am a team player. I am a team player. I am a traveler. I am a traveler. I am an animal lover. I am an animal lover. I am in India. I am in India. I am Indian. I am Indian. I am excited. I am excited. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. So you can read these sentences again.